introduction and welcome to my first Ionic 3 tutorial covering all about swipe tab step by step. So first let's see what is the result of this tutorial looks like. So this is a projection of a native device. So we have a slider here from Ionic, and we have an animation in the top. When you click in one of these tab here in this indicator, we can change the page in our slider. So how to do that and how to integrate this example to your application. This is the result in Ionic Lab. So when you swipe the tabs, the indicator will project our animation, and when you click in one page, the slider will respond with the same page that is already selected. So this is for iOS and this is for Android, quite the same thing. So my solution is to combine two components from Ionic. The first one is the segment, a simple segment, and a simple slider. How to do that? But first let's implement a quick example and customize it to see how to work with it quickly, and in the next tutorial we'll speak about the details and how is the main idea, how to detect animation and how to really work this example. So I have the home page, which is a simple example for this implementation. We want to start from an empty page and just use a copy and paste to make things work as the first step. And of course we will make some customization in the end of this tutorial. So first of all, we must copy our segment and our indicator. This indicator is this little line that make our animation. Okay, so just copy the segment and this indicator and our slider to our new page. It's called empty. Just hide this padding, and for the controller just copy these little functions and paste it. Of course you can change your controller as your application want, and don't forget to import the slider from Ionic, Angular, and the view child from Angular core. So the last thing is to copy the CSS implementation, and for this example let's change the root page from home page to our new empty page, and let's see if it's work or not. This looks like a bit heavy for building now. Okay, so let's take a look of our code till the building finish. So as we said, we will use Ionic segment and our indicator and default slider. What we have to add is this indication. So we will call this function and disable the pager, and of course make a linking between this ionic slide and the controller from this ID. So in our controller we just initialize our swipe tab, our slider, sorry, from the ID that we already linked with, and here we have the tabs which are displayed in the top. So okay, so this is the tabs, page 1, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's working. When you click in one element of this segment, and when you scroll, yep, there you go. When you scroll within our slider, this indicator will detect our animation automatically and transform it to a smooth swipe tap. So let's change to make 2 pages. Sorry. So just remove this extra. I will call it P1 and P2. And for the slider, don't forget, if you use 2 pages, don't use more than two slides in our slider. Okay, so we have page 1 and page 2. Let's see what we make. Okay, so we have 2 pages. We have 2 pages here. Same thing. Scroll, click here. Everything is working. So let's customize the style. I want to make the active element in blue and the inactive element to green. Okay, so let's see our CSS. So this is the indicator segment. So this is the small indicator which is black, like this small line. I will make it blue, and for our active tab, that means this page is active, this page is not active. So when this page is active, which color will be selected? Here is black, like our indicator, but we can change it from like our changing for indicator from to blue, like that. And also you can change the inactive element. We have already gray color, we make it green. So what's this? Okay, so this is inactive element, which is green as we say, and the active element will be in blue. So when you click on P1, P2, P1, P2, P1, P2, the same thing. Okay, so this is a fast and quick integration of this quick example to your application. In the next video, I will describe in details how it works, how to detect the animation from slider, and how to understand exactly how it's working. Okay, so thank you for your watching, and hope this will help you in the next project, and expect me for my next tutorial. Thank you so much. Bye bye.